What is up, you guys? It's your girl Frenchie here, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So in today's video, I'll be doing this fashion overhaul. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all think in the comment section. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So y'all, first things first is this cute little dress up shirt, kind of like tied in the back. Honestly, you could pair this with pretty much anything, so giving a little cleavage, you know. And I got this in the size medium or large, I don't recall, but I think if I did get a large, it would probably fit the arms better. And you could honestly just wear it where you just rope it in the front. It doesn't really matter, it's all preference, but I really like it like this. So you guys, next thing I got going on is this cute green top. Oh my god, let me tell y'all. So this top was really giving me problems at first, so I had to cut up the bra area because the padding really throws it off. But as you guys can see, it's super cute. The material is pretty, it's like a silk kind of material, and for the summertime or the springtime, you could either wear this with some, you know, a pair of leather or some like flared jeans or something. And it's giving, this color looks so good on my skin tone. I got this in the size large because I was afraid that the boobs wasn't gonna fit properly. I really like this. This is super duper cute. So next outfit we have is this top. I saw this top on Jody and I thought it was so freaking cute until I got it. I don't know if y'all like it. Tell me if you guys do. I really love the pattern, but it's not something I would wear every day. It's probably something I would wear that one time and just never wear it again, because I just hate how high it cuts up. Like, that is so, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Your girl's too thick to be having, like, you know, her size out. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but let me know down below if you guys really mess with this top. The material in this top is mesh. Oh, I forgot, you guys, you could even wear it like this. So it's a meshy kind of material, and it's very see-through. As you guys can see, I had to wear a bra with it because I didn't want too much on my goodies showing. You know what I mean? So I really think it's cute for a one night out. That's about it. After that, after maybe if it's washed, I don't know, it'll probably start wearing out. Like, the letters will probably start fading, but one night only. That's about it. So y'all, next things next is this cute pink baggy shirt. I love a baggy outfit, you guys. Oh my god. But yeah, I still buy most of my clothes really tight fitted because I be feeling like, you know. But as you guys can see, this shirt it's a t-shirt, and the material is t-shirt like, you know, I don't know how else to explain it. As you guys can see, it's very pink. And the message on the shirt, you could even wear it cropped or out. You could wear this with some jeans, some shorts, some biker shorts. But yeah. Next shirt I have, you guys, is this it's a leopard, but I had bought this a while ago and I thought it was super duper cute on the model until I bought it for myself. It's just not flattering. Like, I'm not feeling it at all. Like, but I'm just not feeling it. It's just not giving muffin top kind of vibes. Like, I don't know. But as you guys can see, this is a shirt. It's a leather kind of material. It's very, very it's thin. It's not, and it's stretchy. That. Now you guys, this outfit is this cute bandeau top. With these long bell-bottom jeans, and I think this is super, super, super duper sexy. If this mark wasn't here, bro, I would be like this in the camera. Let me stop, because this shirt is, I'm like dying. But I'm sure there's other ways to adjust it. As you guys can see, this is how it looks in the back. It's really cute. And then, so y'all, when it comes to these kind of jeans, I usually get them in the size 13 because they don't normally stretch. So size 13 is the only one that fits for me. I'm still kind of like learning my size and everything. So it's perfect. This one is perfect, but also there's other jeans that I've ordered from Fashion Nova that don't really fit the same. It's either like the crotch is tighter and my thighs are pretty big, my foot in there, it just doesn't want to go up. So no matter what the size is, you just gotta see if it kind of stretches a little bit. Next thing we got, you guys, is these two sets. So it's a two-piece set. I don't recall the name of it, but I thought this would look so cute when I went to Miami, but I never ended up wearing it. So as you guys can see, it makes the butt look big. Let me stop, I'm so stupid. So okay guys, so I thought this would look super sexy for my vacation. As you guys can see, these pants are super duper cute and long. Then we got the choking concept again, because this shit is choking the back of my neck. So I don't know, this is really cute. So I got this in either extra large or large. I don't recall because I didn't want the material to be too tight. So as you guys can see, it's ready. So y'all, next thing I got is these ruched pants. The material is similar to a leather pant, but I think these are thinner. So when you pair this, I would honestly wear it with a nice dress shirt, and then these cute brown heels that I got from Fashion Nova as well. These are the heels that I've been talking about. They match to the T, and they're in a size 6. I got the wrong size, which I will be ordering again because I didn't intend for them to be as small as they are. I definitely think those two would go super cute together with a nice dress shirt. So yeah. But this is a whole look right here. Honestly, I need to be outside somewhere taking some pictures. Can't tell me I'm lying. I got these pants in a size large, and then I got this in a size medium. So as you guys can see, it fits nicely. So you guys, next thing we have is this top. So this red top, I got this from Fashion Nova, of course. It's a silky kind of top, and I thought this would look super duper cute. Then I got this white skirt with it, and I think that this white skirt looks really nice. Pretty little thing, you pretty little thing. Hey. Next thing we have, you guys, is these black and white pants. I really like this pant. I think it looks super sleek, super fitted. I wouldn't wear it with this shirt, but you know, it's just to show you guys. But the material is very ritty. I got this in the size large. Next thing I have for you guys is these brown pants. I really like this pants because I like the designs in there, and it also has some on the leg as well. I got this in an extra large because I was afraid that I was going to be too short. So As you guys can see, these fit really nicely. And I would pair this with a nice little jean jacket over it, and maybe another crop shirt. Nothing too low, nothing too low, maybe like something more cropped. Next thing I have, you guys, is this brown bodysuit. I really love the color, and I love how tight fitted it is. I had got this in a size large or medium, I'm not really sure, but as you guys can see, it makes your body look nice and curved. The material is kind of like a silk material, but it's very stretchy. And also get into these legs. These legs are super duper cute. So now you guys, next thing I have is this this bodysuit. As you guys can see, it's very holey. Yeah, so I had to wear it with, like, you know, like a bodysuit on the bottom, and it's like showing everything, y'all. It's like, this is just a little latte, you know. But yeah, the material is very stretchy, and the quality is, but like after like 3 washes, this should be like tiny. It's gonna be shrinking. Okay, it's very elastic. This is the body in it. And I think I got this in a size large, but I should have got a size medium because it's very long and it's very stretchy, as you guys can see. Yes, so if you get yours, baby, and you as thick as mine, get you a medium, okay? So you guys, this next outfit, we got this black dress with these pearls on it. I love this dress, but I just wish that it was just not this tight. It's just a little small. And I think this was in a size large, but I really don't like the fitting. I feel like if it was a bit bigger, it would fit better. And like I wouldn't have to worry about my butt showing too much on the side. But I really like it though, it's super cute. Detailing of the dress, I love the pearls on it. I think that's very sexy. If this was a bit bigger, this would have been it. Yeah, so next dress we have is this ruched dress. It's very silky. Here's the bum. And I really like it. I kind of like pulled the side up like this and kind of have this hanging out to the side, but you could also adjust it however you want. It could be short, long, whatever you want to do with it. And it is not stretchy, so I got this in a size large. And I don't wanna say the things we gon' do, just wanna show you. And I don't wanna wait, fuck around, get it right, no. And also, you guys, this is in the size small, so if you want this, you would, if you're like around my size, I would just get one that's, you know, like a little bit bigger, because this kind of fits a little tight around the breast area. But other than that, I think this is super cute. I love the patterns or prints all over it. It's giving. Next, you guys, I have this top on, which is also from Fashion Nova. I really liked it because I didn't really have anything with, like, you know, my cleavage out that splits to the middle. So I started buying more shirts like that. As you guys can see, this shirt and this pants is also from Fashionable Well. They're perfect size. And then this has a slit on the side or the front. It's a stretchy type of top, and I love the material. It seems super sturdy. And I got this in the size large. A medium would have did perfect, because then it would have, you know, be tighter. So I got this in the size medium, and I think it's so pretty. I really like the little design on there, and I like how it's like to the shoulder. And the material is pretty stretchy. I love bodysuits like that. Let's talk in more action. Ladies, next thing we have is this sexy brown dress. So, y'all, this brown dress is everything. I already have pictures in that dress. I'll post it somewhere in the screen so y'all can see it. But this dress right here, this is life. This dress is giving sexy. Do you hear me? Sexy. But I really like this dress though, y'all. I got this in the size large, because you know how I feel about things being too tight to the point where I can't breathe. So, and the material is like a velvet type of dress. So, and it has like these nice little buttons in the front, and it's really nice fitted. It fits really nicely. That was it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section how you guys felt about these outfits. Bye.